How to create a video marketing strategy. Before you set up, record, or edit anything, start with a video marketing strategy. Why? Because every decision made during the video creation process will point back to your video's purpose and what action you like your audience to complete after watching it. 1. Choose your target audience and find out where they spend their time. The popularity of video and user-generated video content means that you need to target a specific audience with each video. If you don't already have strong buyer personas, start creating them now. If you already have a set of buyer personas, make sure to update your personas to include the most recent video research. 2. Set a timeline and budget for your video. Think of video as a shorter, quicker, and less expensive version of your favorite film. While a video needs fewer resources to succeed, it can still be a time-consuming and expensive process. You can save time and money with planning and project management. 3. Choose the best platform to distribute your video. Before you start making your video, think about where you're going to broadcast it. YouTube SEO is becoming as important as website SEO. Source. Think about what people on that platform are looking for. You'll also want to consider average view time, size and sound limitations, communities, budget, promotion. 4. Develop messaging and choose the right types of video for your personas. It's important to communicate a message with your videos. If you're not sure where to start, use one of these examples of marketing videos to inspire your video strategy. If you're not sure what kind of message is best for customers at different stages in the buyer journey, align your video messages with the flywheel. 5. Decide which metrics you want to track and how you will measure success. Before you dive into production, you need to define your video goals and find the best metrics to help you understand whether you've accomplished those goals. Make your own videos with vidon.ai.